Welcome to our first episode of Saturday Crafternoon, Crafting with Kittens. June is Adopt a Cat Month, where it's always Saturday at the virtual library. We will have cat-themed programs all month long. Today we are partnering with El Gato Coffee House Cat Cafe. The adoptable kittens at El Gato will be joining us during our kitty cat crafting session. Today we'll be making a DIY black kitty cat. You can make today's craft with materials you already have at home. We will need a cardboard toilet paper roll tube, black, pink, yellow, and white construction paper, clear tape, a glue stick or white glue, light colored markers or crayons or colored pencils, and scissors. Make sure to ask an adult to help you or to supervise you while cutting your construction paper. And if you don't have any of these paper colors, use any color you have. Let's get started! Step 1. Cut a strip of black construction paper the width of your toilet paper roll. Step 2. Grab your glue stick and wrap your black construction paper around your toilet paper roll, making sure it's secure. Step 3. Use your black construction paper and cut a large circle for the cat's head and 2 small triangles for the cat's ears. Now, let's compare it with the kitten's head to make sure it's the right size. Looks good! Step 4. Adhere the 2 small triangles at the top of the black circle to make a kitty cat head. Step 5. Grab your clear tape or your glue and adhere the kitty cat head to the top of the covered toilet paper roll. Step 6. To create the legs of your kitty cat, squeeze the bottom of the toilet paper roll to flatten it and cut an upside down U. Step 7. Grab your pink construction paper and cut a heart shape out for the kitty cat's nose. Now, use your glue stick to adhere the nose to the kitty cat's face. Step 8. Use your yellow construction paper to cut out 2 small round circles for the kitty cat's eyes. Glue the eyes on the kitty cat's face above the nose. Step 9. Cut 2 small strips from your black construction paper to adhere to the center of the eyes. Step 10. Let's make the whiskers. Grab your white construction paper and cut 6 thin white strips of paper. Then we will glue them onto the pink nose. Step 11. Grab your light-colored marker or pencil to draw the kitty cat mouth directly under the nose. For our final step, let's make the tail using our black construction paper. Now, let's compare it with the kitten tail before we glue it on. Almost done! Now glue the kitten tail on the opposite side of the toilet paper roll, behind the kitten's head. Now it's time to enjoy your new black kitty cat. Introduce her to your family. Take a photo and share it on our Facebook page. Great job! Join me next Saturday for a new Catterday story time, and Saturday, June 27th, for another cat-themed craft. Happy Catterday!